Hello guys, in this video I am going to introduce you to not so generative AI tool which is still quite cool. This tool is simply called as Photocopy and it is primarily a digital photocopier. If you are looking to get a photocopy look of your document in the image, then you can simply generate a photocopy look from an existing image by using this tool. Now, this tool is quite fascinating because if you are trying to move your paperwork routine towards a paperless workflow, and when I'm saying paperless workflow of the documents such as administrative type of papers and not really for serious reading tasks, there is one major annoyance which always really bugs me, that people sometimes require me to print, sign and scan document, and they really don't allow me to insert my scanned signature in the electronic file, but still they insist that it should look like a true photocopy. It's waste of time, but of course there are some procedures, especially if you're dealing with government sector or big corporate SOPs. Now the thing is that uh, we need a tool which can do that. Yes, we can do it with generative AI, but I just wanted to show you that it is even possible with a simple web application, which is this. And let me show you how. So for example, if you go to its demo page, this is all you need to do, and the great thing is it is free, no sign up, no login, no credit card. All you need to do is to go to this site, choose your file. Let me select any of the document which I already have, and then we will convert it. Hopefully I will have something. Okay, so you would need an image file. Primarily I'll just go with one of my YouTube thumbnail. There you go. So I'll just say generate, and there you go. So you can see this is a photocopy of my image. How cool is that? Beautiful. And then of course you can use the rotation, you can stretch it, you can do grayscale or you can not do grayscale. Lot of stuff you can do. For example, if I say okay, remove the grayscale and then select maybe another one and then generate, there you go. There's no grayscale this time. Beautiful. And this is me. How cool that looks. Amazing stuff. And if you want to see the actual image, let me actually show you that. So this is one of the YouTube thumbnail on my own channel. So this is the one on the left side. And if I show you, go back there again, this is the one. How cool is that? Okay, let me go back. Now another cool thing about this simple tool is that the researcher has very graciously open sourced it, which you can access here. And this has been created with Magic Wasm and Vue.js, which you can simply use. So really awesome stuff, and he has really done some wonderful work there. So I would drop the link to this awesome tool in the video's description. Give it a try and see how you go. I really love it. I think I'll be using it in my day-to-day work. That's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps. Thanks for watching.